Welcome to day 2. Hopefully, day 1 went well and you were able to really take the time to stretch your body and to spend some time with God. Our scripture is Psalms 24:14. Let's take a second to focus our hearts and our minds on the Lord. Remember to take deep breaths in and out. First, let's go to a butterfly position and press down on our right knee. Remember, our goal is to stretch, not pain. All right, now switch to the left. Okay, take your head down towards your feet and hold. This repeats 2 more times. Be sure to breathe in and to breathe out throughout all of these stretches. Okay, so now let's stretch our legs out to the front. In this stretch, make sure that your back is straight and that you bend from your waist and not the top of your back. We're going to hold here. And come up. And repeat. Remember to breathe. Now, let's flex our feet. Again, bend forward from your waist, not the top of your back. And come up. And repeat. Next, we have figure 4. We can do this stretch 2 ways. You can place your foot on the inside of your thigh or place it on the top of your thigh, above your knee. Bend forward from your waist and reach for your feet. And come up. And repeat. All right, now the other side. Bend forward from your waist and reach for your feet. come up, and repeat. Now we have the half straddle. Sitting up nice and tall, again, bend from your waist. Hold here. Now stretch that arm over and reach toward the extended leg. Hold here. All right, now the other side. Fold forward at your waist and breathe. Now to the side. And come up. Let's take a kneeling position with one knee up and the other on the ground. If you have knee issues, you may need to skip this one or take it easy. You can wear knee pads or use a towel under your knee to help provide support. Stretching one leg forward, you're going to lean back on your other knee. Hold here. Now press forward into a lunge and hold. Now press back. Now, let's go to the other side. Now, press back. Don't forget to breathe. Pressing into the lunge. And press back. Now, let's sit in a full straddle. Remember to bend from your waist and not the top of your back. Let's fold down to the center. Hold here. Now stretching over to the side. Make sure that your chest stays forward and it doesn't collapse down towards the floor. You really want to get a stretch through your waist. Other side. Okay, now we will return to center and flex our feet. And we're all done. Take a quick second to breathe and allow God to do what He does best. Trust Him fully with all that you have and all that you are. Until next time.